Hi, this is Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. Getting you aboard this brand new 2021 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. Boat just got unloaded off the truck. Beautiful white side, stone gray interior, hard top with extending shade on the back, opening hard top section, and the sunroof right there. Beautifully equipped boat. Look at all this wraparound plush seating. Sun pad on the transom. We do have a table that will go into the floor here. Then looking around, got your boarding step, freshwater sink, barbecue grill, runs off inverter, as well as a nice 12-volt refrigerator. I love that we have opposing seating everywhere. The port side companion chair does spin around to include a big social zone. This one's equipped with standard twin 9-inch Simrad screens, which is going to be all your vessel displays, GPS, fish finders, upgraded sound system here with subwoofer, and of course trim tabs and joystick piloting, which is your autopilot, auto heading, and skyhook, what makes it very easy to dock the boat. And we got the vacuum flush toilet, stainless steel hand basin, and walking forward, this big, large, expansive bow area where you can sit 4 or 5 adults across from each other without touching knees. Nice inlaid grab handle there. Look at this stitching and embroidery work, just really first class. Again, this is a 2021 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard at MarineMax Pompano. Give me a call, 954-633-2070.